I drove all the way to Montana to buy this Broyhill sculpture dresser for $175. It's highly regarded in the mid-century modern enthusiasts community. The body was a little dinged up, so I got to work sanding that body down. The finish with the 220 grit. I hopped on live like I do sometimes, so if you're ever seeing me live, I might be working on one of these. It was fairly easy to do, just a little time consuming. The drawers were already in great shape, so I left those alone. I used a mix of stain and regular oils to give this the color that it needed. I finished off with a wax, and this is how it turned out. I ended up selling it within the hour for $900 because these are extremely popular, so keep your eyes out. These are worth a good amount of money and a personal favorite to many. And that's why